Welcome, friends. I am your organizer advisor, Lisa Winfield, and my goal is to help you bring more positive energy to enhance your life. Today, we're continuing our talk on our positive relationship with food and how we're going to manifest a more positive relationship with food. And I've posted a couple of videos previous to this video regarding the food itself and our interaction with food and how we feel about food. However, today I want to talk about the environment in which we interact with our food. That has a positive or negative impact on our relationship with food. If we have a kitchen that is not inviting, we tend to avoid preparing food in our homes. An inviting kitchen encourages us to be creative and to interact with food in a more positive way. So today I want to talk about the space so that we can create an inviting and beautiful place in which to prepare and interact with our food in a really positive way to enhance our relationship with food. Welcome to my cottage kitchen here at Ravensduke Cottage. This is my little dream kitchen from the cottage that I saved from demolition, and I love this space. This is an expression of my authentic self. So today, focus on the items that you use to prepare your food and make them as bright and shiny and as positively interactive as possible to help you become more engaged in the process of preparing healthy food to nourish your body, to enhance a positive relationship with your food. Now, let's talk about another tool that we use in the kitchen, and that are kitchen knives. Now, we feel very positive when our knives are sharpened and clean and easy to use and well balanced. So if you have really nice kitchen knives, you want to make sure that you keep them sharp. And I just use one of these little, you can get at any hardware store, and it has this little guard on it, but it makes it very easy to sharpen your kitchen knives. And that facilitates cooking and that positive interaction with your food. You can also use a sharpening stone, or you can have them professionally sharpened, whatever is your preference. But having kitchen knives that slice easily, reduce the amount of work, and the energy of knowing that that kitchen knife is sharp just is inviting. It's a tool that we use, and it's going to work well, and it's going to make our cooking more enjoyable. And I want us to do our minute meditation and visualization technique to help us manifest what our positive interaction and flow of energy in our kitchen looks and feels like. So take a deep breath in, count of 4, exhale, deep breath in, exhale, deep breath in, and exhale. Now, visualize bright, shiny cookware, beautifully sharpened kitchen knives on an empty cutting board ready for you to chop your vegetables or your fruits or your meats so that you can prepare a healthy meal. Visualize your beautifully shiny pot on the stove, gleaming, ready for those beautiful, healthy ingredients, music playing, candles lit, flowers. Imagine your kitchen being clean and clutter-free, your countertops being spacious, your appliances gleaming and clean and fresh and smell good. Your refrigerator is full of vibrant food, ready for you to prepare. Visualize interacting with food in a positive way, maybe even dancing while you're chopping. You know, a little hip wiggle to the music. Imagine being in a kitchen where you feel comfortable and you're filled with love and excitement and fulfillment. Your kitchen should be a joyous place. And you have the power to create that. So now take a deep breath in. Keep that vision in your mind. Exhale. Deep breath in. Exhale. Feel that positive energy interacting with your food in your beautifully bright, dynamic kitchen with shiny cookware and sharpened knives. Just that positive energy from those elements alone, just feeding your inspiration, fueling your frequency, raising your vibration, elevating your energy, making you excited about life and embracing cooking and expressing yourself. Exhale. Now, our daily affirmations. I love my relationship with food in my life. I'm creating a positive relationship with food by enhancing my kitchen space, my food environment, my feeling about being in my kitchen while I prepare food. I love the positive changes that I'm making in my transformation. I feel energized. I feel a positive flow of energy through my body. It gives me an enlivened sense of interacting and embracing my life. I love the changes that I'm making. I love my body. I love my life. I love the transformation that's taking place, both within me, with my body. I love the changes that I'm making in my life, in my environment, in my home. I love the feeling of connectedness I get by making these changes to enhance my life. I have a beautiful life, and I'm grateful. Thank you, friends, for joining me. I hope this has been helpful. Please check back with my other videos, and let's enhance your energy and enhance your life. I am the Organizer Advisor, signing off, wishing you health, happiness, and harmony. Namaste. Have a good day.